friends, my name is Miss Beth from the Ashland branch of the Pamunkey Regional Library, and today I'm going to show you a few gifts that you can make, all from stuff that you can find around your house, like a snow globe, an origami bookmark, a coupon book, as well as 2 resources that will also link you to additional stuff they can make at home, such as sugar cookies and salt dough ornaments. All right, so the first gift I'm going to show you how to make is the origami bookmark. So you'll need a ruler to measure out the bookmark out of the piece of paper that you'll also need, as well as a writing utensil to kind of trace and make sure it's 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters. Or you can always make it bigger or smaller depending on how big of the origami bookmark you would like. It just needs to be a perfect square, as well as some coloring utensils such as markers, crayons, or colored pencils, whatever you prefer, so you can draw a design on the bookmark if you so please, as well as some scissors. All right, so here I've already pre-cut a 15 by 15 centimeter piece of paper, so I'll show you how to do the folds, and then once it's all folded, you're free to decorate however you please. So we're going to take one corner up to the opposite corner, and it's okay if it doesn't come out perfectly. Sometimes the corners like to be a bit tricky. So we're going to fold, and make sure when you do fold down, you make sure the crease is very, very tight. So then you have a triangle. And then you can start from either side. I'll start on this side. We're going to fold that up to meet the top corner. And then we're going to press down, make sure that crease is nice and tight. I'm going to flip it around, and we're going to fold this corner up to this corner. Fold that crease nice and tightly. And then you'll go ahead and flip it around and open the 2 folded sections back up. Now you're going to take just the top piece, not both pieces, just the top piece like this, and then fold it down so it meets the middle of the paper. Fold it, and then make sure the crease is nice and tight. Then you're going to take each one of these pieces and fold it back up top, but then fold the excess of the top pieces inside so it's hidden. So like this. So we're going to fold it back up, and then we're going to tuck it back in. I like to say tuck it in like a little baby as you're putting it to bed. Fold it, so then that way you only see half the piece. The other piece is tucked inside right here. All right, we're going to fold this one back up top, and then we're going to tuck it in like so, and then we're going to fold it. And there you go. Now you're able to decorate it with markers, stickers, or however you so choose for your page corner origami bookmark. All right, so for the next gift, we are going to make the coupon book. So what you'll need for this gift is a piece of paper, a ruler, some kind of writing utensil so you can decorate and then measure, stickers if you would like to spice it up, some scissors to cut, and then a hole puncher, and a piece of string or a yarn, just to keep the booklet together. All right, so I went ahead and cut out my pieces of paper in order to make the coupon book. You can make them as big or as small as you want. I just used the ruler to make sure that they were all about the same size. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do first is use my hole puncher to punch the holes in, and then I will go ahead and use my piece of yarn to tie it up so it doesn't fall together. So let's go ahead and And then what I like to do when I was punching them, because I am using cardstock, I went ahead and put one that was already punched out over top of the other 2 or 3 pieces, so that way I made sure that the holes are all relatively in the same spot, so when we go ahead and put the yarn through, it won't get stuck. There we go, nice little coupon book in action for you. Then we'll go ahead and tie this up so they don't all come apart. All right, so this is what it looks like before we decorate it. And I think I'm gonna make this coupon book for my mom. So I'm gonna go ahead and write her name on it and then decorate it with some stickers. Let's see which sticker. I'll do this one. And then there you go with the rest of the pieces of paper, the coupons. You can write down what they can be redeemable for, whether it's folding a load of laundry, doing the dishes, taking the trash out, some chores, or maybe something a little fun like staying up past your bedtime or having a movie night. All right, so for our next gift, I am going to be showing you how to make the snow globe. So what you'll need is a jar of some sort. I ended up reusing a pickle jar that I had at home. A figurine, I chose a Triceratops. If you don't have any figurines or little items that you don't want to give up at home, they do have some at the Dollar Tree. Some glitter to make it snow, room temperature water, and as well as hot glue. So I am using a glue gun, so please be careful. And if you are a little bit younger, please have an adult supervise so you don't hurt yourself, please. All right. So what we are going to do is I'm going to go ahead and glue my dinosaur first on the lid. All right. While you're gluing, make sure to press down on it just to give it a little more extra pressure so it doesn't fall off. And if you want to, you can add a little bit more glue so it doesn't try to be sneaky and come off while it's snowing in your snow globe. And if it gets a little bit messy, that's okay. All right, so we're gonna let him dry for a little bit. Now I'm gonna take my jar and fill it up with some water. And you can fill it up all the way depending on how much water you want, or you don't have to. It's up to you. And I'm gonna go ahead and take the glitter and sprinkle some in there. And then for added protection, in case for whatever reason the lid will pop off, you can put glue around the sides of the lid. And so once you shut it, it won't be able to open. And then there you go. A winter wonderland. Oh, the Triceratops. It's snowing on him. And you don't have to use white glitter. You can use whatever color you want, but I did choose white since it resembles snow. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope you guys learned a few other gifts that you can make. Don't forget to stop by onto the library because we have other books with lots of other fun ideas. We'll see you soon.